my name is Anya and today I really want to make a chocolate and caramel chip banana bread. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 2 cups of flour, add 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 120 grams of butter, add in 1 cup of sugar, and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time, making sure before adding in the next egg that the previous egg is well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until smooth. Add in 3 ripe bananas that have been mashed. Mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients in 2 batches. Add in 65 ml of water. Mix until smooth. Add in half a cup of caramel chips and half a cup of chocolate chips. Mix until well combined. Pour your mixture into prepared baking tin and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. A good tip for banana bread is halfway through the cooking process, add tinfoil on top of the banana bread and continue baking. This will result in a fluffy and moist banana bread that does not brown too quickly on top. Cut into slices and enjoy!